If Telegram is giving you trouble when you try to send a video, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram error sending video quickly and safely. This is a common issue, and in many cases it comes down to a few simple problems like the file being too large, the video format being unsupported, or Telegram holding on to old cache data that needs to be cleared. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check and how to get your video uploading again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check the file size of the video you're trying to send. Telegram has upload limits, and on the free version, the standard limit is usually 2 GB. So if your video is larger than that, it may fail to upload completely. To check this, right-click the video file on your computer and open its properties, then look at the size. If the file is too big, you'll need to reduce it by trimming it, compressing it, or exporting it at a lower quality. Sometimes the issue is not just the size, but the format itself. If Telegram keeps failing to send the file, convert the video to a standard MP4 format. MP4 is one of the most compatible video formats and usually works much better than unusual file types or heavily compressed exports. You can use any reliable video converter or export tool to change the format, then try sending the file again. If the upload still doesn't work, the next step is to clear Telegram's cache and restart the app. Cached files can sometimes cause upload glitches, especially if Telegram has stored temporary data from previous failed attempts. On Windows, fully quit Telegram first. You can do this by closing the app and then checking the system tray near the clock to make sure Telegram is not still running in the background. If it is, right-click it and exit completely. For a deeper restart, you can also open Task Manager and end any Telegram-related background tasks. After that, reopen Telegram and go into Settings, then Advanced, then Manage Local Storage. From there, choose Clear All to remove temporary files. This can free up space and fix problems caused by corrupted cache data. Once the cache is cleared, try sending the video again and see if the upload completes properly. In many cases, that is enough to solve the issue. If you're still having trouble, double-check the video file one more time and make sure it isn't damaged or incomplete. A good test is to open the file locally and confirm it plays all the way through before uploading. Also, if you're sending from a slow or unstable connection, try again on a stronger internet connection, since uploads can fail if the connection drops during transfer. So to recap, first, check that the file is under the size limit and in a supported format like MP4. Then, clear Telegram's cache, fully restart the app, and try the upload again. These simple steps solve most Telegram videos sending errors without needing any advanced fixes. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.